MIT Hackathon and Acceleration Program, led by Digitane, is an exclusive opportunity to turn your idea into reality. This year, we are implementing the program with the Estonian Garage48, which has 12 years of experience in the field by bringing the Silicon Valley attitude to the markets. Garage48 has organized more than 200 hackathons in over 30 different countries. As a result, over 3,000 ideas were pitched, and more than 1,000 working prototypes were built. The success of Garage48 hackathons lies in their special approach of giving an intensive, weekend-long time and pushing participants out of their comfort zones to network, learn, and implement ideas that might even make successful exits or involve venture capital. The hackathon participants are expected to start on Friday with one goal in mind: to have a working prototype by Sunday to present to the jury. Some well-known and successful companies started their journey at the Garage48 hackathons, such as MSQRD, an AR face filtering app that got acquired by Facebook, or the most demanded tweet deleter that has grown to serve over 1 million users. Now, the time has come. Garage48, which was born in a country with the most unicorns per capita in Europe, Estonia, is coming to Armenia to help us discover our innovative minds with their inventive ideas. So, May 20th, MIT Hackathon and Acceleration Program. Garage48 and 48 hours for you to gather, form teams, and create new products and solutions to rock the market.